nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands, a plan your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say. It's on the page. I didn't find the way. I had to fight this way. I had to find a way to change. I had to find my way. I'm all up here on the stage. It's how I pass time, no mistake. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, everybody wants to do that thing. Go wrong, my fame brings me. Success is when you get big. Make sure I know it. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blends. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class to find, yeah, a true passion shines. And I'm full passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move past the vibe. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Hai, kami dari D.SITORUS. Untuk kedua pengantin, selamat menempuh hidup baru. Semoga selalu bahagia, langgeng terus. Semoga berlimpah berkat dan banyak rezeki.
Buat pengantin pada saat ini dari PBB Pemuda Pasangan Bersatu, satu rasa, satu jiwa.
Selamat di keluarga D.SITORUS dengan guru kami, Bu Siringo Ringo, pada saat ini melaksanakan pernikahan tanggal 22 Januari tahun 2022. Kami dari PBB BAC Tampur Utara mengucapkan selamat berbahagia. Orang.